So let's talk about Crowd1 company. It's a Swedish company. It started its work in December 2018, but we didn't know it until October 2019. This is Lego International company that is actively developing. They have offices in Stockholm, Malta, an open office in Manila, and a Lego office in Dubai. Soon there will be the opening of an office in Colombian city of Bogota. And of course we have an office in Johannesburg, where we recently held an event for 10,000 people. The hall was designed for 7,000 people, but on the event came more than 10,000. Office in Manila, Philippines. You can go in this partner office, you can meet the representative of the companies, talk with them with a cup of coffee, ask your questions and see the company's documents. Jonas Eric Werner. This man is a millionaire, one of the founders of the company. Thanks to him we have such a great compensation plan. He is the marketer, he is the ideologist of the company. Our general manager, Johann Style von Holstein, a millionaire who brought more than 100 companies from 0 to 1 million of their turnover. 3 companies entered to Nasdaq. This is one of the 3 main USA exchangers. Johann Style von Holstein graduated from a university in Swedish, UK and South Africa. He had a double MBA. His qualification is a Master of Administration of the highest level. He knows how to bring any company to the market. That's what he's doing right now in the company of Crowd1. He's the best leader you could ever imagine. And we're so proud to have him in our company. Our sales director is Peter Jacobson. He creates millions of teams. He is our coach and our business trainer. John Frosten, Regional Director of Asia. For 25 years he manages companies with turnover in €1 billion. Marilyn Buan is a professional in her field. She makes incredible events and she has every opportunity to launch the most grandiose events in any part of Asia. So, what is the company Crowd1? Firstly, it is a 100% mobile company. Crowd1 app can be downloaded to your phone from the App Store. The Crowd1 model can be compared to the model of Booking or Uber, Yandex Taxi, that is, those companies that do not have their own product. For example, Booking does not have its own apartments. There is no own property. But they have a turnover from all who join them and rent their property using the Booking platform. So, our company Crowd1 has the same model. The Crowd1 company takes on its platform those companies that will develop and enter to the market, and we have the opportunity to earn from each company that will be represented on the platform Crowd1. The first 2 companies that Crowd1 represents are from the gaming sector, because in 2019, $152 billion were spent on mobile games, and this is 45% of the market. Every year, people spend more and more money on mobile games for entertainment. The total turnover of mobile games is more than the turnover of any other segment. It's even 20% more than the other segments altogether. Therefore, Crowd1 chose the gaming sector as the first direction. And the first stage of the Crowd1 launch has already ended, and now we have started the second stage of the launch. This is a gaming company of Go that has already entered to the market. This is an 18+ gaming company. So it's a lottery, bingo, sports, betting, a huge number of different games that are all in one app of Go. The company of Go is already in the market, and now there is an opening of the countries. They have already started, and soon we will begin to require our passive income from the turnover of the company of Go. The shares of the company AfilGo has a price. It's 2 euros. We can still buy those shares now. If someone does not have time to buy them, they will be able to do it on a separated platform, and they will be sold by those who have them and who were at the very beginning, and those who bought during the pre-launch period. And the next gaming company that is represented on the site Crowd1 is Mixer. Mixer has made it possible to acquire its shares from November 2019. The price is 50 cents. Mixer product is 6 Plus Games. It's a various mobile, social, arcade, strategy game and others. The company has just entered to the Crowd1 platform, and now we have the opportunity to get more shares of Mixer. Moreover, the turnover of such games is much more than for gambling games. So the price of shares of the company AfilGo today is 2 euros and Mixer 50 cents. We still have time to get a large number of shares of the company. And one more thing, I want to show you the most favorite bonus in the company. It's called the Streamline bonus. After you have registered, you will be followed by other registration all over the world. It's not only your people, it's people of the general flow from all over the world. The company records your registration, and you can see the numbers of those people who come after you in office. And depending on the number, you will require shares from those companies that come to Crowd1 platform. As you know, there are 2 of them at this moment. This is AfilGo and Mixer. And as you can see here, 50 euros per week, which is spent on a purchase of an additional shares, and they will bring passive income. They're still growing in the price, and I can sell them. In addition to that, the Streamline bonus gives us the opportunity to have shares from the following companies that will join Crowd1. Crowd1 has more than 36 contracts with the companies of different directions that want to be placed on our platform. And from all of them, we can require in the future shares of the companies. And this is not investing in the company. All this because of Streamline bonus, which show on the table how many people came after you, on what package you are, and how many shares you will require from AfilGo, Mixer and the future companies. The minimum entry to Crowd1 is 99 euros, the base package, and Crowd1 will give you 100 euros in the form of 50-50 shares of AfilGo and Mixer. The next package is Black package. For 299 euros. You'll get shares for 300 euros. The next package is Gold package for 800 euros. The company gives shares for 1000 euros. 800 for the package and 200 euros bonus. And Titanium package for 2499 euros. And the company will give you in a total 3500 euros shares. You can pay for the package by bank transfer, your Visa or MasterCard, gift code for internal money, Bitcoin or Ethereum. The money is withdrawn to a bank account, to a Bitcoin wallet, or to UnitePay card. The card can be offered in a company itself. The price of the card is 25 euros. It is tied to the office itself, and you can safely withdraw your money to the card.